Hello friends and hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel Footloose Globetrotters. I think this is the first time that I am posting a video of me riding this motorcycle. So this video is not about the bike in itself, it's about the mirror that you're seeing in front of me. That's the holographic wide angle rear view mirror. It's 180 degrees angle, as you can see. And I'll also talk about these blind spot mirrors that you're seeing on the side view mirror over there. So I'll tell you where I purchased these mirrors, how much they cost and how to install them and all of that. So let's get into the video. I purchased this in Amazon. It is about $13. It comes with a sheet with instructions. I have just laid out all the items as shown on the sheet. If you follow these stepwise instructions, fixing it is not an issue. However, putting that screw through that small hole was a challenge, so I had to get a little more innovative. Yeah, at this point I want to give a shout out to the person who inspired me to buy this mirror. One day I was browsing through YouTube and I landed on this specific video which talks about this person riding from Houston to Annapolis in 24 hours. That's 1500 miles, mind you. The channel is Quasi Motard and this person rides a CB500 Honda motorcycle. When I saw the video, the first thing that impressed me the most was this mirror on the windshield of that bike, and I was immediately hooked onto it. And I searched online with different keywords and finally I landed up on this specific item on Amazon, and that's how I purchased it. I wanted to make it easier for any other person who wants to buy this mirror, and that is why I am making this tutorial. And I've also put the Amazon link in the description box below. If you're interested in it, go ahead and click it and make your purchase. It comes with these two sticky tapes, but I read a lot of comments saying that it wasn't adhesive enough, so I used the 3M double-sided tapes. I purchased the blind spot mirrors as well through Amazon. It comes in different shapes and sizes, but I picked the one that matched my bike's rear view mirror shape. It's about $13.
With some much needed help from my wife and some patience, I transformed my bike from this to this.
Alright, hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up and comment down below what you thought about these mirrors. And if you would like to follow the journey, go ahead and subscribe to the channel Footloose Globetrotters. Till we meet next time, take care, bye bye.